Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif Shazad and I am an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online and offline. And in today's video, I'll talk about writing task 2. On what basis it is marked and how to write an impressive introduction. I'll give you an idea, I'll do an experiment so that you can judge how to make an introduction. There is one method I'm telling you, there may be other methods, you can try whatever you like. First of all, your IELTS task 2 is marked on the basis of 3 to 4 things. Number 1, your task response. How did you understand the statement? Did you really understand the statement? Is it discussion essay? Is it opinion essay? Is it problem solution? Or it is a double question essay? As you must have been familiar with the 5 types of essays which come into the exam. Discussion essay, there are major chances discussion essay. On second number, there may be opinion essay, agree, disagree, or sometimes double question, sometimes problem solution. So make sure you are aware of these 5 types. I can make a video on that, but today's video is about writing task 2, marking and the introduction. First of all, task response, how you responded the statement. Did you really understand? And according to that, you wrote introduction. That is the task response. Number 2, your lexical resources, the vocabulary you use, the words you use, the treasure of words you have in your mind, good words. Whenever you write an essay, try to get some words, vocabulary before writing regarding that topic on which you are going to write an essay. This is for your practice. For maybe 5-10 essays, you write some lexical resources according to that topic. So you will have some collection of words within you. The third thing is cohesion and coherence. Coherence is your body structure, your essay structure. Cohesion is your paragraph structure. What did I say? Coherence and cohesion. Coherence is your introduction, your body paragraph, and your conclusion. This is coherence, the basic structure of your whole essay. And the second thing is cohesion. Cohesion is the link and connection of your paragraph, the sentences in which how you have linked those sentences in one paragraph. So that is cohesion and cohesion. And the last thing which on the basis of which you will be marked on, that can be, I have mentioned your task response, I have mentioned your lexical resources, cohesion and coherence. And the last thing is your grammar, obviously your tenses, your sentence structure. You need to have a good awareness of your tenses and sentence structure so that you can make sentences. Obviously, when you'll be able to make sentences, after that you'll be make cohesion and coherence. Right? These are 4 things your task 2 will be marked on. I'll tell you an example of writing task 2 introduction. For example, I have got a book 15 and you have a topic. In some countries, owning a home rather than renting one is very important for people. This is a statement. In some countries, owning a home rather than renting one is very important for people. And now you'll have to develop a context in your mind, in your natural language. For example, if I say, घर खरीदना रेंट के घर से ज़्यादा बेहतर है, आप इसका इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे सोचेंगे? आप लिखें, अपने जहन में सोचें कि घर किसी भी मुआशरे में रहने के लिए एक बुनियादी इकाई है। इसके बगैर इंसान सेफ महसूस नहीं करता। कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अपना घर होना चाहिए और वो ज़िंदगी भर अपने घर के लिए ट्राई करते रहते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग बिल्कुल इसके ऑपोजिट सोचते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि जी रेंट पे भी हो जाए तो कोई मसला नहीं है। दिस इज़ ऑल योर इंट्रोडक्शन। You write a general statement, you link it to the statement you're given, and then you write at the end that this essay will further highlight the points, or I will highlight the further points. For example, home is a basic unit to live in every society. People work hard, earn hard all of their lives to make one home, because they think having a home is kind of security. But some people think that it is all right if you live in a rented house. It is not any kind of embarrassment or any lack of, this doesn't show the lack of money. So I'll further highlight the points in the coming paragraph. So this is the context, general statements, linking to the statement which is given, and then the final point, the three parts of introduction. Or you can have another introduction. 2 decades ago, people used to live together in our society. We are talking about our society. In our society, people used to live together. They didn't have much worry about the homes. So they used to progress, they used to work for their other goals. But now, in this contemporary era, people work hard, earn more to build a house. So that means they think it's a necessity of life which needs to be fulfilled before their kids grow up. But some people are against this opinion. They don't agree to that. So I will argue, yeah, I will further highlight these points. So this is the thing. आप एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट डेवलप करें किसी भी टॉपिक का। मिसाल आपको एक और दे देता हूं आपको। I can give you an example. Like this a topic. In the future, nobody will buy printed newspaper or books because they will be able to read everything they want online without paying. मुस्तकबिल में कोई बंदा प्रिंटेड न्यूज़पेपर और बुक नहीं खरीदेगा क्योंकि हर चीज़ ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल होगी। आप स्टार्ट करें, इन दिस कंटेम्परेरी एरा नो डाउट everything is available online, but the importance of hard form of the paper या books cannot be ignored. There are plenty of people who prefer to read newspaper in their hands, who prefer to read books. So uh, I don't think that the time will come when there would be nobody to read printed books or papers. That will remain, but with the advancement of technology, people will start taking that online as well. So एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट डेवलप करें, फिर अपनी स्टेटमेंट के साथ लिंक करें उसको। इस तरह इंट्रोडक्शन आप बना सकते हैं किसी भी ऐसे का। टास्क 2, राइटिंग ऐसे। I'll come with the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and remember me in your players and keep watching IELTS with Kashif. And your comments are important. Your feedback is always important. Whenever you think I should make a video on that topic, you definitely comment. I upload my video on TikTok and IELTS with Kashif YouTube and also Facebook page. You can check anywhere and you can comment. If you have any questions, you can always ask here. Any questions is welcome. I can make video on that. And thank you very much.